Hi everyone and welcome back to another digital guide tutorial. In today's video, we'll learn how to quickly and easily convert videos using the WinX HD Video Converter Deluxe. This is a great program made by a company named Digiarty. So I'm going to show you how you can easily convert MOV files into MP4, or even other file formats which you have. You can convert almost any file type into any format that you need. MOV files can sometimes be problematic and you may have a problem while editing them, playing them in Windows or other stuff. So that's when you want to use a video converter and convert your MOV files into something that is more reliable, and those are MP4 files or other formats. So that's where we will be using the WinX HD Video Converter Deluxe. This software can convert or compress any video to any file format that you need. Whether you have a video that's too large and you want to compress it, or you have unsupported file type like MOV and you want to convert it to MP4, this program is for you. You can also trim your videos in this program, edit them, add subtitles and much more. As you can see, I have the software opened on my Windows PC and it has a simple and functional interface. You can see a couple of buttons at the top and you can click them to upload video files, photos. You can clear the list, and you have to options, or the program settings. I'm gonna upload a video that I want to convert. So this is my MOV file and I'll convert it to an MP4 format. And when I import it, it's gonna open up this window where you can choose the format in which you want to convert your video. You can also choose the different resolutions like 4K, 2K, a WebM format and much more. On the left side of the screen you'll see different profiles which you can choose for your video, and you can also convert audio files. And you have this slider here where you can select the quality of your converted video. It can be a lower quality video and that's going to take up less storage space. Or you can choose a higher quality video which is going to take up a little bit more storage, but the video will look much better. When you select your format and the quality, just click on OK right here. And then run. Now it's going to open up this window where you'll see a bunch of different information about your video like the name, start time, end time and more stuff. And just wait a couple of seconds or minutes until your video converts. And when it's done, I'm going to open my new converted video and you can see that it looks great. The file is converted and the quality stays the same. And that is how you can convert MOV files into MP4 files, and you can easily convert other file types using this great software. I will leave a link of the program in the description of this video and you can download it and start converting your files. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.